Hello guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to talk about what the doctor said, and we're going to analyze a little bit and try to predict the next moves in the market. So it's a very long post, and yeah, so basically he said that Bitcoin is going to be at 42, 40k, stuff like that, and or 50k. He's had basically a prediction that we will have another leg down. However, uh, now everyone followed his strategy, uh, remembers exactly how it worked. So yeah, who followed him in the past knows him, and he's good at predicting certain things. And it's not, of course, it's not 100% accurate, but yeah. So right now, everyday Bitcoin remains between 54 and 64. He will buy 5% of his allocated capital in spot Bitcoin, not 10% this time, but 5, because he wants to spread the accumulation across a wider period. Which is it's a decent strategy. And let's stop right here for now and talk about something that I might be crazy, but people don't talk about smaller altcoins, and this is happening basically. I wanted to buy this, but I didn't. I was basically with my finger on it. It's OX Orchid, which was delisted by Binance, by everyone, and it just went down, 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 down. And it had this flat period. And basically, I wanted to buy like 2 days before it went up. I was with my finger on it. I said, might we see a reversal? Might we see a something like this in the future? And exactly like 2 days after, it went ballistic. And I'm sad I didn't buy, but yeah, even a 9x, like, okay, you couldn't be able to sell, but let's do like this. 4-hour chart, so you had plenty of time to sell it here. So let's not be greedy and say I think it was here when I wanted to buy. So a 6x or a 5x, somewhere around here, I would have been able to sell it, and maybe even more. But let's not be greedy. And yeah, nobody is talking about the small cap coins. They all talk about Bitcoin, and some of the coins are not moving together with Bitcoin. So if you see a dead coin, there is a chance it might go up. If you see something like this, but of course you also see this, and you expect. I mean, even if you would have bought here, you should have sold here like 30%. But yeah, after a while, some of them should recover, and this is one of those. Now it's already a little bit too late now to buy. If you want to invest long term, I don't know what to say, but right now it's not a buy anymore. Here it was a buy. And also this coin, Venice token, which while we were in the bear market, he wasn't. This coin wasn't, and if you would have bought it here at, let's say, you would have got it at $1.08. So you could have had basically 19x at the top, and right now you would have had still 10x if you would have bought in this period. However, most of us were too scared to buy here. And yeah, I bought a few coins like this one. Oh, it's moving to a new contract. I bought it here, And you know, I bought other things I bought as well, like GRT and Sonic after the 10th October drop, and we went further down. But yeah, I'm hoping for a reversal, and I will keep accumulating certain coins. So let's go back to this guy, to Dr. Profit, and see what he's got to sell. So the legendary weekly MA 200 sits in this region, and now is being tested from below. Bitcoin already reached the lower section of this area last week. And if you remember from my older videos, I said that we might have seen the bottom, and there is a high chance that we've already seen it. And I'm an early caller, but you know, I went for that. So, front running the herd. Since the doctor announced 50-40k regions as his deeper bear market target, most of X has copied the same narrative. They copied everything. The market is not blind, of course, and now it's not going to happen because he predicted and everyone saw the predictions and everyone is copying him, and the market will not do this because of that. So that's the today's circus, I guess. And now it's going to be the opposite. Now he's going to keep buying and DCAing, and he won't expect another low, but everyone is going to follow him, and then we will see another low probably. But yeah, I'm not sure what to say about this. So the market now's retail is sitting in cash waiting below 50k. They know people are terrified to buy at 64 because they have convinced themselves that they will receive Bitcoin at 40k. He's not going to stay behind the herd and beg the market for the same price as everyone else. He's front running them. And you know, I said this even before he said it, so 40k, 50k might not happen because everyone is just, when is the bottom, everyone expects more and more drops, and they will not come. They will simply not come. And he says just because the 4-year cycle worked at the top, it doesn't mean it will work at bottom. Which, yeah, this time we can agree on this. And right now everyone is waiting for September or October, as if the market has already programmed the bottom into the calendar. Do you understand how insane it is? Ask anyone when they plan to buy. And you know, this is what I said. Now it's the time to accumulate, and we don't know if this is the bottom. It might have been the bottom, or we are not far from the bottom. But yeah. So what if it is 3 years and 9 or 10 months? What if the market bottoms before the date the entire crowd is waiting for? You know, that's what happened to Cowan and to other influencers in crypto. And you know, yeah, they only talk about Bitcoin, but you can check other smaller coins, and you can see we are in the bottom, and we are 99% or 95% down already. And let's take this one. So basically we're here, and let's say, you know, I started buying in this range. I think even a little bit above this. I bought here somewhere, and I would have bought here more, but I didn't have the money, and I would definitely buy here. And the same with Bitcoin, everyone is waiting for it to go down. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section, and if you would buy now, or are you just waiting, even if you know that there is a chance to miss it and to have it at 80k and never have it again at 60k. But you know, if you're scared, you're scared. Don't do things if you don't want to do them, and be careful what you do with your money. But I'm going to accumulate some alts because it's a good price, at least for me. So thank you for watching. Let me know what you think about this and see you in the next one, guys.